So imagine this. You're going on a long trip and you want to watch your favorite movie or your favorite show without worrying about Wi-Fi. But how do you get your Amazon Prime Video downloads to watch offline? So stick around. I've got 5 easy ways to help you solve this problem. So first, you're going to use the Amazon Prime Video app. Okay? Open the app, find the movie or the show, and look for the download button to store it on your device. Second, make sure that you're using a device that supports downloading, like your phone or your tablet or your laptop. All right, got this far. Third thing, remember that not all titles are available for download. So look for the download icon next to the movie or the show to know if it's available. The fourth thing is that you have to manage your downloads by going to My Downloads to delete old shows and free up space for the new ones. All right? Now, finally, consider adjusting your video quality, the video quality settings. So lower quality saves more space on your device without losing too much picture quality. I don't know if you knew that. So that's pretty much it. So if you're excited to start downloading your favorite shows, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.